Hi guys, welcome to my new clip. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time for you, please subscribe down below. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a crew neck version of my PDF sweatshirt pattern. If you don't have the pattern yet, you can check out my Etsy shop and get it there. You will need an overlock machine like this one and optionally also a flat lock or twin needles for your home machine. So guys, without further ado, let's get to work. Get sewing, let's go. So guys, it's time to print out the pattern and cut the size that you like. I'm making a small size today and I'm using French Terry, the classic sweatshirt jersey. First step, let's connect the shoulders. Place the front and the back right side on right side and match up at the shoulder seams. Overlock or sew with a stretch stitch. You can flat lock or top stitch the shoulders as well. So, second step, let's take the collar piece and fold it lengthwise. Right sides on right sides, of course. And then we want to overlock the short ends together. Fold this tube now left side on left side, just like this. We want to pre-stretch the raw edges carefully. This makes it easier to ease the collar into the neckline. Overlap the sides. Now, mark center back and center front on your neckline and match the seam of the collar to the center back. Then evenly distribute the difference in lengths all the way around. This is called easing in. And once we've done that nicely, we can now overlock the collar to the neckline. We want to be really careful to stitch all the 3 layers. Jersey is notoriously good at rolling away, so make sure it's still there. And once you've done it all the way around, overstitch a little bit so it's all safe and secure. There we go. The back neckline there can be quite ugly if it's just overlock. So today I want to put a pretty cotton tape and I'm going to stitch it to cover the overlock. You can also use bias tape or you can make your own tape from jersey, for example. There will always be a visible top stitch from the back, but the inside finish is much more beautiful than without. Third step, take the 2 sleeves and pin them to the armholes. Of course, right side on right side. Overlock, and there you go. The 4th step, we want to flip our sweatshirt now inside out and match the side seams together from the wrist to the underarm and then to the waist. Overlock and we're good, and you can flip it back. Last but not least, the waistband and the cuffs. So this is exactly like the collar. We want to fold them lengthwise, right sides on right sides, and always stitch the short ends. Then we flip them left on left side and we create these tubes. Again, you can pre-stretch them a little bit along the raw edges to make easing in easier. Once we've prepared the pieces, we take our body and then we pin the cuffs to the sleeves and then of course the waistband to the waist. Distribute the extra length evenly so you get a nice gathering effect. Overlock And yeah, we're done, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. There you go, sweatshirt. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't mind, I can take it. Anyway guys, bye bye, see you soon.